Hi friends, welcome to my channel. The seven chakras of the body. The chakras are actually the energy centers of our body, which acts as a connector of our mind, body, soul with the spirit. The chakras are very much connected to the emotions of the humans. Balancing the chakras maximizes the flow of energies in our body, promoting the health, opening the emotional healing, and helping to stay grounded. A clear understanding of the location and functioning of the chakras in our body helps us to enhance our full potential. These chakras are the conscious centers of a physical body linked to high energy cosmic fields and universal energies and are not visible on X rays. They start from the base of the spine and go all the way to the top of the head. The seven chakras in detail. The root chakra, or the first chakra of the body, is located at the base of the spine near the coccyx area. The root chakra is associated with the basic survival needs of human beings such as food, safety, and shelter. This is connected to the element earth and is red in color. Balancing the root chakra enables us to have stability in life. Grounding ourselves is important. When our energy is rooted, we are aware of our own energy and listen to our body. If this chakra is blocked or out of sync, we may experience anxiety, fear of loss or change, and are unable to release the negative energies acquired due to the emotional challenges we experience in life, and thereby affecting the health connected to lower back or feet. The sacral chakra, the second chakra of the body, is located below the navel in the pelvic region. This chakra is associated with creativity, passion, pleasure, and sensuality. This is connected to element water and is orange in color. Both, the very creation process is associated with this chakra. Passion is the fuel to creativity, and when this chakra is balanced, one honors the senses, feelings, and emotions of the body to great self love, care, and joy. Clearing and cleansing the sacral chakra is important to have a vibrant flow of energy in the field of creativity and self expression. Blockage in this chakra leads to emotional instability, depression, or sexual dysfunction. This should be healed by positive affirmations of one loving, respecting, and accepting one's own body to have a healthy, balanced, and peaceful life. Bladder, uterus, and kidneys are the organs related to the sacral chakra. The solar plexus chakra, or the third chakra of our body, is located in the abdomen area. This is connected to element fire and is yellow in color. Balancing the chakra is done by meditation practice. Balanced solar plexus chakra will boost your self confidence, strength, and mental balance. Great flow of energy to this chakra radiates your potential to the world, strong willpower, and increased self healing. This chakra is mainly responsible for enhancing your abilities and assist in transformation process. Blockage of this chakra can greatly affect your emotional well-being, leading to self-doubt, lack of worth, or conflict, and it may affect the digestion process and create problems in the functioning of liver. The heart chakra, or the fourth chakra of our body, is located at the center of the chest. This is connected to element air and is green in color. Love, compassion, emotionally balanced, empathetic feelings, and tolerance are experienced when this chakra is balanced. Heart chakra acts as a connector to the material and the spiritual world and helps in balancing the free flow of energies to the body. It embodies love as a state of being that flows throughout the life. Opening of the heart chakra gives spiritual clarity of our existence and opens us to unconditional love for all. Blockage in this chakra can lead to jealousy, cold hearted, laziness, and narcissistic type of behaviors. Heart and lung problems arise due to underactive heart chakra. The throat chakra, or the fifth chakra of the body, is located in the throat. This is connected to element pure ether, sound, music, and is blue in color. When the throat chakra is open, divine knowledge is expressed. We speak, listen, and are able to express authenticity of our true nature with confidence. Through mindful breathing practices and calming the mind, we are able to connect with our inner selves and open up the throat chakra. Blockage in the throat chakra can cause difficulty in expressing oneself, nervousness, and communication problems, resulting in jaw or thyroid dysfunction. The third eye chakra, or the sixth chakra of the body, is located between the brows. This is connected to light and is indigo in color. This energy center is associated with the intuition, inner wisdom, and heightened senses of vision and perception. Activation of the third eye chakra acts as a gateway to all psychic abilities, clairvoyance, and cognition powers. Transcending duality is achieved by opening up of this chakra, and it lifts the veil between the spirit and matter. Brain, nervous organs, pineal glands are the active organs linked to the third eye chakra of psychological significance. Blockage in the third eye chakra can cause lack of intuition, lack of imagination, nightmares, or eye problems. The crown chakra, or the seventh chakra of the body, is located at the top of the head. It is related to the thought, consciousness, and is violet in color. This is connection to the divine and oneness. Opening up this chakra enables us to surrender to the source energy of love, trust, and peace. Activation of this chakra, access to the different realms and dimensions of the universe, transmitting the divine wisdom to see the bigger picture of our purpose in life. This chakra expresses you to live your life in gratitude and joy. Meditation and yoga practices helps to balance the crown chakra. Blockage leads to lack of inspiration, stress, detachment from the world, and illness. These are the basic chakras or the conscious centers of the body. In addition to this, there are 5 chakras that connects the human being to earth and esoteric energies of the cosmos. When one chakra is imbalanced or blocked, it affects all the other chakras. The chakras should be activated by mindful practices of meditation, and when done, the energy spirals up in full, and this process is known as Kundalini rising, leading to powerful aura. This is automatic default process of individuals who are undergoing spiritual awakening leading to ascension. A massive shift in consciousness is happening in the world at this time in the collective. People are waking up to the reality now. People experiences loss of loved ones, loss of relationships, loss of money, depression, and escalating situations in their life, leading to soul shock and awakens as they could not tolerate the struggle or chaos anymore. By calming the mind and going deep within, they can look for the answers and understand and embrace the spiritual journey and change their lives for the better to empower, uplift, and transform themselves and the people around them. And that is why they are here on the planet. Thank you, friends.